Colleagues, as we begin to discuss House Bill 4813, it is important to know some history. The Electrical Administration Act was established in the 1950s to provide for the licensing and regulation of master electricians, journeyman electricians, and electrical contractors in the industry. It has been amended several times since then, most notably in 1990. At that time, the Michigan legislature put into law the requirement that there be a 1-to-1 ratio between trained electricians and apprentice electricians at all job sites. This change was made in response to a series of accidents, including deaths, that had occurred on electrical jobs, raising concerns for workplace safety standards. This bill changes the ratio between trained electricians and apprentice electricians from 1-to-1 to 1-to-3, resulting in substantially less supervision for apprentices. The current ratio of 1-to-1 ensures that apprentices are surrounded by more seasoned veterans, which leads to a better understanding of the trade and results in not only better quality work, but also safer working conditions. By reducing the ratio to 1-to-3, supporters of this bill not only endanger the lives of electricians, but also increase the risk of shoddy electrical work in homes that are not safe for our families, or offices that are not safe for workers. So today, I offer an amendment to only allow contractors who have achieved a good safety record, as measured by the Michigan Occupational Health and Safety ratings or the experience modification ratio used by the insurance industry to determine risk, to be allowed the lower ratio between experienced electricians and apprentices. This common sense amendment would allow contractors who are doing a good job ensuring that their workplaces are safe and have shown that their work is high quality and their apprentices have adequate opportunities to learn the trade to earn the ability to have a higher ratio. Much of what we vote on today, or any day really, in this building, does not make a difference in whether someone lives or dies. This legislation, however, does. The way we will know if this is a bad idea or not is if someone is injured, or maybe worse, which is a terrible way to test legislation. I urge my colleagues to prioritize the safety of the electricians who provide a valuable and needed service that we rely on every day to make our lives better at home, at work, and everywhere we use electrical power. I urge you, my colleagues, to adopt this amendment and to simply require contractors to demonstrate that they use safe, responsible practices before they are allowed to increase their ratios. Thank you.
Thank you, Representative Brinks. Question for the House is adoption of the substitute. Clerk will open the board. The substitute is not adopted.